अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों बला मनशुम खिदमत नदीम जान بیارون چاینه شهر تنجن سیلا اگر شما را دوست بید لایک شیر سبسکرایب ضرور بکنید.
This is a Tianjin cultural hi-fi square. This is very beautiful and new developed area. So you can see everywhere there are many buildings. Those are very beautiful due to much lightnings. And each sides you find lightnings in this area. Boats are also surrounding in this lake. This is very beautiful. I suggest everyone to come here and enjoy and spend your some time to this area. This is very beautiful.
Okay, now we can move forward.
আমি তো সত্যি ভিডিও বানাই না, আমি তো সত্যি বুঝতে পারলাম সব পুরো দাদা